Hello viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And as usual, I remain Gift Gulu University. Today I would like us to look at something still under the practical aspects or in ICT under information literacy. We are going to look at something else. We are um, we are looking at something here. Let's open our presentation as we start. We have research topic to published works. So this is what we are studying today. And from our slideshow, we shall see that research topic to publish works, where we are going to learn a step-by-step process from idea to finding relevant sources. So I want you to be very attentive in this lecture. Define your research topic. How can we define our research topic? We have to clarify the question or problem you want to investigate. Maybe you're given a research topic, maybe on agriculture. Still, agriculture needs a lot of research, so you need to clarify the question and problems you want to investigate. Break it into key concepts, main concepts, like you categorize them, like the disadvantages, effects of something, or anything, or something that destroys something. You need to categorize them, main keywords. For example, we have topic on impact of climate change on agriculture. This one, we need concepts of climate change, and we need agricultural effects and crop yields. So this is how you are supposed to categorize your work when you're doing research. So in our next presentation, you find that develop a search strategy. You need to develop a start strategy by identifying synonyms and related terms for each concept. The related terms, you need to find them, and also choose search tools like databases, for example, Scopus, Web of Science, library catalogs, Google Scholar. You can choose between these which one can help you make your research a better one. So we have also to construct search strings using Boolean operators. For example, and or plus truncation wildcards. This one will help us to get exactly what we want without wasting time. And also we need to set inclusive or exclusion criteria. We need to set the date, language, and peer revive or reviewed. So here you need to look for, like, when you're looking for recent research, you need to set a date, maybe within the period of maybe of the past 2 years, and for the current year, if you don't want to get with something that took place so long ago. And also we need to locate and evaluate published works. So here we need to search databases with your refined strings. We need to look for evidences from the published works that already been from somebody's research, somebody's already published work. So we need to screen results, title and abstract relevance check. We need to access quality, this is peer review status, and also author credibility or methodology. So here we need to check also if the author has something interesting. And also we need to organize findings, like save PDFs, use folders or reference manager, for example Mendeley, of which we are going to see briefly in our next videos. I will show you well how to use Mendeley and also how to install it. In our next slides, we observe that from sources to your work, we need to take notes and extract key data stock arguments in the published work that you've found. You need to take notes and extract key data. We need to cite properly to avoid plagiarism, of which we are going to see in our next video. We have synthesis information to support your research argument. You need to give citations, of which you are going to look at so soon. We need to clarify. We need clarity in our research. We need to iterate. We need to refine topic or search if needed. Outcome: a solid foundation of published literature backing your research. Yeah, we need you to tell us that, this, I got my research from this and this books published by so and so. Yeah, that one will give us proof of exactly what you did, and also it will help you earn marks in your higher institutions of learning. So that brings us to the end of our today's presentation under research topics to published work. So when you're researching on published work, these are the things that you need to follow. So save this video and follow the guidance in all the slides. Thank you for listening to me. I still remain Gift, a specialist at Gulu University. Thank you.